Hello everyone, this is Magar teacher. Let's learn about the flowers and parts of a flower. Flower is a colorful, attractive, beautiful part of a plant. It increases the beauty of the nature. Flowers are in different colors. Flowers grow from bud and bud is attached to the stem or flower is attached to the stem by a long or a short stalk called pedicel. This stalk is known as pedicel. One end of the pedicel is attached to the stem. This end is attached to the stem and other end is expanded and swollen. It is called the receptacle. Petals means this bud, petals of the flowers and other parts of flowers are supported on the receptacle. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are different parts of a flower. In the bud condition, the petals are covered by leaf-like parts called sepals, which are green in color. They form the calyx. Here, leaf-like green color part which covered the bud is known as the sepals, and sepals together form calyx. Calyx. Here you can see there are two sepals form calyx. Next part of the flower is corolla and is made up of colorful parts called petals. Here you can see each colorful part of flower is known as petals, and petals together form the corolla. The shape, color and smell of corolla of various flowers is different. Third part is androecium, and this is a male reproductive part of flower and it consists of stamens. Each stamen is made up of anther and filament. Here you can see the male reproductive part of flower is known as stamen, and stamen is consist of anther and filament. Fourth part is gynoecium and is the female reproductive part of flower, and it is made up of carpels. Each carpel consists of stigma, style and ovary. Here you can see carpel is consist of stigma, style and ovary. See the parts of androecium and gynoecium separately. See, gynoecium is consist of this carpel or pistil is the another name of the carpel, and it consists of stigma, style and ovary. And the male reproductive part consists of stamen and it includes anther, kidney step structure and filament means tube-like structure. When we take the vertical section of the hibiscus flower with the help of sharp blade by cutting the flower vertically from stigma to pedicel, we can see the ovals present in the ovary. This is a vertical section of the carpel. The stamen consists of anther and filament and is the male reproductive part, and pistil means carpel consists of parts stigma, style, and ovary. These are the female reproductive parts. When the flower mature, the anthers burst. Here we can see anther, which is the male reproductive part, burst, and pollen grains released from anther fall on the female reproductive part, stigma, and these pollen grains enter in the ovary through the tube-like structure known as pollen tube, and these pollen grains get fertilized into the ovary with the ovules which present in the ovary. Ovules means egg cells. This circular shape egg cells we can see in the ovary, and this ovary forms the fruit, and ovules which are present in the ovary forms the seeds. I hope you understood the parts of flowers, structure of flower, and in next video we will know about the fruits. Thank you.